There are over 15,000 AI tools on the internet right now. I spent months going through hundreds of them so you don't have to. Some were useless, some were genuinely impressive, and 10 of them? 10 of them are quietly making ordinary people extraordinary amounts of money right now in 2026. I'm not talking about ChatGPT. Everybody knows ChatGPT. I'm talking about the specific tools, the specific use cases, and the specific income strategies that most creators have no idea exist. Stay with me. This list is about to change what you think is possible. Subscribe before we start. I've got a full breakdown of each of these tools' income strategies coming in future videos, and you don't want to miss them. Tool number 1, ChatGPT. I know, you've heard of it. You're rolling your eyes, but hear me out. Because most people are using ChatGPT as a search engine. They ask it a question, they get an answer, they leave. That's not how you make money with it. The people actually earning with ChatGPT are using it as a content agency engine. A freelance writer using ChatGPT can produce in a single day what used to take an entire week, and the verified data backs this up. Beginners using ChatGPT for content creation services are earning $300 to $1,500 per month within their first 60 days. Established operators running AI content agencies are pulling $3,000 to $10,000 per month. The model is simple. Small businesses need blog posts, email sequences, social media content, and ad copy. They can't afford a full agency. You come in, use ChatGPT to draft and refine that content in a fraction of the time, and charge for the expertise and quality control you bring. The tool costs $20 per month. The client pays $500 to $2,000 per month for a retainer package. Tool number 2, 11 Labs. 11 Labs is a voice synthesis platform. You type text, it speaks it back in a voice that sounds like a real human being, with emotion, pacing, breath, and tone. The output is genuinely indistinguishable from a studio recording. Here's how people are making money with it. Number 1. Faceless YouTube channel narration. Every high-performing faceless channel, military history, true crime, finance explainers, documentary-style content needs a voice. 11 Labs provides that voice. The best channels are earning $8 to $15 RPM in high-paying niches with content narrated entirely by AI voice. That's real ad revenue without a microphone. 11 Labs pricing starts at $5 per month. The earning potential is in the thousands. Tool number 3, Midjourney. Midjourney generates images from text prompts. You describe what you want, it creates it. And the quality in 2026 is extraordinary. Professional designers are using it as a daily production tool, not a novelty. The income angles here are multiple. The first and fastest is print on demand. You create designs using Midjourney, t-shirts, posters, phone cases, wall art, and sell them on platforms like Etsy, Redbubble, and Merch by Amazon. The design cost is your monthly Midjourney subscription. There's no inventory, no shipping, no upfront stock. A well-positioned Midjourney print-on-demand store is generating $500 to $5,000 per month. Tool number 4, HeyGen. HeyGen lets you create realistic AI avatar videos, a digital human that speaks your script with lip sync, expression, and natural delivery. You upload a script, choose or create an avatar, and it generates a talking head video without anyone ever appearing on camera. The income use case that's exploding in 2026 is faceless content for businesses. Companies want explainer videos, product walkthroughs, training materials, and social media content, but they don't want to film anything. Tool number 5, Cursor. This is the one that non-technical people tend to skip, and that is a mistake. Cursor is an AI-powered coding tool. You describe what you want to build in plain English, and Cursor writes the code. What used to require a team of developers can now be built by a single person who has never written a line of code in their life, or what the industry is now calling vibe coding. The income opportunity is building and selling micro SaaS products. A simple Chrome extension or web app priced at $9 per month with 200 users generates $1,800 in monthly recurring revenue. Tool number 6, N8N. Most people have never heard of N8N. That's why this is one of the best opportunities on the list. N8N is a workflow automation platform. It connects different apps, services, and data sources and automates the repetitive tasks that eat businesses alive. Lead follow-ups, data entry, reporting, social media scheduling, CRM updates. Think of it as Zapier, but open source and far more powerful. Here's the income strategy. The global robotic process automation market is projected to grow from $28 billion in 2025 to over $211 billion by 2034. Businesses need automation. Most of them have no idea how to build it. An N8N freelancer charges $2,000 to $5,000 for a setup project, then $500 to $1,500 per month in retainer fees to maintain and expand the system. Tool number 7, Claude. Claude is Anthropic's AI assistant, and for long-form, research-heavy content, a large portion of professional users now consider it the best writing tool available. The income angle here is not just content writing, it's research synthesis and high-value document production, legal summaries, market research reports, business proposals, investment memos, consulting deliverables. These are documents that organizations pay $500 to $5,000 each for, and Claude can draft a strong first version in under 10 minutes with the right prompt structure. Tool number 8, Canva AI. Canva has been around for years, but its AI layer in 2026 has turned it into a genuine money-making machine for non-designers. The highest income use case is selling digital templates, Notion dashboards, social media templates, business proposal kits, Canva brand bundles. These are products that take a few hours to create and can sell thousands of times on Etsy, Gumroad, or Payhip with zero fulfillment cost. Creator Islo built over $300,000 in a single year selling Notion templates, many of them enhanced with AI-designed visuals through Canva. Tool number 9, Suno. Suno generates original music from text descriptions. You type a prompt, melancholic cinematic orchestral, building tension, 60 seconds, and it produces a complete royalty-free track. The income model that's growing fastest is YouTube music channels. Lo-fi channels, ambient study music, sleep soundscapes, cinematic background music. These channels are earning $10,000 to $100,000 per month in ad revenue with zero performers, zero studios, and zero instruments. Lo-fi Girl, the benchmark in this space, sits at over 15 million subscribers with consistent monthly ad revenue between $20,000 and $45,000. Tool number 10, Perplexity AI. Perplexity is an AI research engine that pulls real-time information from the web and synthesizes it with citations. It's the research tool that freelancers, writers, and consultants are using to eliminate the 10 hours of background work that used to precede every serious project. The AI market is projected to reach $826 billion by 2030. That's not a wave coming. It's a wave you're already standing inside. The question is whether you're going to learn to move with it or get knocked over by it. Every single tool on this list costs less than $100 per month to access. Most of them have free tiers. The barrier is not money. The barrier is execution, picking one tool, going deep on one income model, and staying consistent long enough to build something real. The people earning $5,000 to $20,000 per month with AI tools are not smarter than you. They started 6 months ago. That is the only difference. Don't forget to subscribe. If you want a deep dive on any one of these tools, how to set it up, which platform to sell on, and exactly how to find your first client, tell me which one in the comments.